In this video, I'm going to be showing you how you can install Chrome extensions on Android. So the first thing you need to do is open up the Google Play Store. On my phone, it's located at the bottom left. Wherever it is on your phone, tap on it. And then you want to type in the search bar, Kiwi Browser. And it's the first result there, tap on that. And then you want to go ahead and make sure that this is installed. And in my case, I have it installed already, so I can hit the green open button. And that's going to open up the Kiwi browser. Now in this search bar, you want to go ahead and type Chrome Web Store. Tap on Chrome Web Store once you've typed it in. And then you can tap on the first result that says Chrome Web Store. And now that'll open up the extensions page, and you can zoom in a bit and just search for an extension. So if I search for an extension, Grammarly, let's tap on that. Can zoom out a bit now, and I'll just tap on this one, Grammarly Dark, and it will load up the extension page. You can scroll all the way to the right of that and tap on add to Chrome, and then you'll have to confirm that. Just tap on OK. Now it's downloading. Now the extension has been added to the browser, and if I tap on those three vertical dots at the top right and then tap on extensions, you can now see that extension, and you can turn it off, you can turn it on. And that is how you install Chrome extensions on Android. If this video helped you out, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more. Take care.